Good morning, mga kalabs. It's 6:36 a.m. Friday here in Japan, and we have a good weather today. I think it's sunny and cloudy later. Yeah, we have fish shishiyamo, Japanese fish shishiyamo. Yeah, we have cucumber pickles, Japanese style pickles, tsukemono, and of course my big strawberries, yes. And my coffee and green tea. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Pinay Wife Life in Japan. Thank you po. God bless you.